Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start the current affairs in English of the 13th November 2022. So first of all we will discuss about the questions that I have given yesterday. That is, which of the following canal gets water from the Satluj and Beas river in India? Option A, Buckingham Canal. Option B is Indira Gandhi Canal. Option C, the Sethu Canal. Option D is the Ganga Canal. So correct option is the Indira Gandhi Canal. So Indira Gandhi Canal gets water from the Satluj and Beas river. So correct answer is the option B. Next we will start the national current affairs news. In the national current affairs news, first is the Bhopal railway station was awarded with the 4-star rating Eat Right Station certification, that is for providing the high quality and nutritious food to the passenger. For that, the Food Safety and Standard Association of India has awarded the Bhopal railway station a 4-star, providing high quality food and nutritious food to the passengers. Next is the year 2022 has been declared as the ASEAN India Friendship Year. So 2022 year will be declared as the ASEAN India Friendship Year in order to commemorate the years of the friendship between ASEAN and India. The center has approved the BSNL package of 6,821 crore for the 4G deal with the TCS, so which it becomes clear that now the BSNL will launch the 4G services in the India. The Digital Life Certificate PEGN of nationwide has been launched. It is launched by the Department of Pensioners Welfare, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances. It has launched the nationwide campaign for the promoting Digital Life Certificate for the central government pensioners. So MORD signs the MOU with the Vedis Foundation under DNRL. MORD means Ministry of Rural Development signed the MOU with the Vedis Foundation to support the setting up of the governance system under DNRL. The DNRL means Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihood Mission. The Odisha CM has announced that they will make Odisha slum free by the year of 2023. Means at the end of 2023, the Odisha will be made slum free. The Odisha will be made slum free area. It has been announced by the CM of Odisha. Next is the Moody has cuts the India's economic growth projection to now 7%. So previously, the Moody has cuts the India's economic growth up to 7.7%. Now it cuts again by 0.7% to 7% because of downward global growth forecast. We will discuss about the science and technology related news. So Bhim app open source license model has been launched by the NPCI, means National Payment Corporation of India. The National Payment Corporation of India has launched the Bhim app open source license model in order to regulate the entity that is participating in the unified payment interface ecosystem. Now it's good news for the DigiLocker users that they will now store the digitally the health record and now link with them the Ayushman Bharat health account with the DigiLocker. So it is a great news for the people that now any person can digitally store the health record and now link with them with the Ayushman Bharat health account through DigiLocker. Next is the international news. So in international news, the Neeraj Chopra will become the friendship ambassador of Switzerland. So the Switzerland tourism has appointed the Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra as their friendship ambassador. Next is the US Treasury removes the India from its currency monitoring list. So the US Department of Treasury has removed the India along with the Italy, Mexico, Thailand, Vietnam from its currency monitoring list. Next is the NIIFL has signed an agreement with JBIC in order to boost the Japanese investment in India. So the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, that is NIIFL, has signed the MOU with the Japan Bank for International Cooperation to promote and enhance the Japanese investment in India. Next, we will discuss about the awards related news. So, in awards related news, the National Fisheries Development Board awarded the India Agri-Business Award 2022. So, the National Fisheries Development Board has been awarded with India's Agri-Business Award 2022 for Best Agri-Business Award under Fisheries Sector. The important day celebrated. In this, the World Pneumonia Day is celebrated on 12th of November every year and spread the awareness about and educate the people about the pneumonia disease, which is the biggest infectious killer of adult and children, and it is responsible for the majority of death of child below 5 years around the world, that is due to pneumonia. And this year the theme for the World Pneumonia Day is the Pneumolite 2022, that is campaign for the pneumonia 2022, and theme and slogan is the pneumonia affects everyone. This is the theme and slogan for 2022. Next is the Public Service Broadcasting Day is celebrated on 12th of November every year to commemorate the visit of Mahatma Gandhi to All India Radio in Delhi 1947, and it is the last time that Mahatma Gandhi has visited the All India Radio, and this day was declared as Public Service Broadcasting Day or Jan Asadharan Divas in 2001. It is the sports related news. So in the sports related news, the Olympic medalist PV Sindhu has launched the Fit India School Week mascot Tufan and Tufani. So the Tufan and Tufani is the mascot of the Fit India movement, Fit India School Week initiative for the year 2022. So this is the current affairs news of the 13th November. Next, in the last, we are giving one question. So today question was Kohinoor diamond, which was found probably from which among of the following mines? Option A is Golconda, option B is the Kalahandi, option C is the Panna, option D is the Bijapur. Answer of this question in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video.